You are going to love the 2019 BMW X4. The BMW X4 provides excellent handling and comes standard with all-wheel drive. The X4 has an attractive interior which is outfitted with extremely high-end materials. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, ambient lighting. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.